Cast on a few stitches because we've had a question by Tina about how to add a bobbin because you run out of yarn on your return pass. So we're going to pretend like I ran out of yarn here and I have cast off. I'm going to leave a long tail. I'm going to add black just to show the color difference. And what we're going to do is, again, we're going to leave a long tail. And let me get my yarn straightened out here. We're going to leave the long tail, and what you're going to do is you're going to drop that bobbin or the strand down and the other tail, and you are going to yarn over and pull through two, and yarn over and pull through two, and you're going to continue that all the way across just like you were casting off. Now, when you're done, I usually take the old tail and the new tail and I tighten them up. Now for the next row, you're going to go under and you're going to pick up stitches with your new bobbin. If it allows, we're back to where our new tail and our old tail is. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten those two stitches up. We're going to take our working yarn, we're going to take our next stitch, we're going to wrap those bobbins over, or the tails over, then we're going to work over the tail, then we're going to go under the tails, and then for our last stitch we're going to work, and since this is just a sample piece, you'll see this is where the black, the new one that we cast off was, and on the back you just take your tails from your bobbins and you just give them a slight tug and it'll tighten them up, and you really won't be able to see them because you're using the same color. So I'm going to, and this stitch too is a little loose only because this is where I added the color to pick up stitches. That'll tighten up. Thank you.